Hey, are your employees feeling a lack of interest, a lack of meaningful work, or feeling like they aren't being heard? Does that sound alarming to you? Well, the good news is enabling creativity at workplace can help alleviate, solve these kind of issues. According to the World Economic Forum, a survey conducted in the year 2021 indicates that creativity will be the third most important skill for employees at the workplace. First, being complex problem solving skills, and the second skill being a critical thinker. Also, in a recent survey conducted, 60% of the CEOs polled for creativity as the most important leadership quality as compared with 52% for integrity. Another important survey done for skills needed to get a job or a promotion resulted in close to 94% of the hiring managers polling that it's important to consider creativity when evaluating a candidate for a job or a promotion. Looking at these survey results, let's have a close look at what does creativity do for a business or an organization. Well, it's the creativity that keeps your business moving forward with fresh ideas and innovation. This encompasses more than new products or services. It includes streamlining efficiency and productiveness. Some of the key benefits of fostering creativity at the workplace are: creativity builds better teamwork. It improves the ability to attract and retain employees. Also, it helps in better problem solving. Hey, creativity reduces workplace stress. And lastly, but not the least, creativity leads to increased productivity. So, who are we waiting for? Build up your creative skills, become a creative athlete, and feel the innovator's high. India's top most corporate training company, Mentora India, will help you in your journey to build creative culture at your workplace.